Now in this second video I'm going to show you how to log into the account once registered. So I'm starting at this point where I've received my email from the system. This email should come from the GAA LMS. Sometimes this email may go to a junk folder or spam folder, so if you do not receive it within a few minutes, please check these folders. Within the email there is a URL highlighted here. Some emails provide this as a blue link which you can click on to automatically confirm your account. In this case mine is not highlighted in blue, so I need to copy it. So I copy that link and paste it into a new browser, and it says, "Thank you, your registration has been confirmed. Please use the email address as user name to log in." So I click login and I go back to the email address I used previously, and the password I used in the first case to set it up. Log in. First place that I'm brought to is my profile. Please ensure that you complete this profile fully, paying particular attention to the fields that are highlighted with the red asterisk. So under affiliation, the user can choose a club or a school. The club is the only field that's highlighted with the red asterisk. In some cases the user might find that his club is not on the list. If that's the case, please choose GAA unattached or their county name unattached. For instance, here we would have Clare unattached. And that's me now logged in.